Did you know that detailed product descriptions can increase conversion rates up to 78%, or that integrating social media channels in your Shopify store can boost brand visibility by 91%? These are just a glimpse of the powerful insights that we'll be talking about today. The key to standing out lies in mastering the best practices that drive success. Look, if you want to succeed, you have to do these 6 things. Coming in at number 6 is detailed product descriptions. Imagine stepping into a clothing store where the racks are filled with garments, but there are no price tags or information about the fabric, the size, care instructions. It would be very frustrating, wouldn't it be? Just like in a physical store, online shoppers crave clarity and certainty. Provide them with a virtual experience that leaves no room for doubt. Craft accurate and detailed descriptions for each clothing item, painting a vivid picture of its features, materials, dimensions, etc. Help customers envision themselves wearing the clothes and feeling fabulous. By leaving no stone unturned, you guide them towards confident purchasing decisions. Leave a comment down below saying, I want the product description document, and I will send you a doc with some best practices on how to craft your perfect product description. Coming in at number 5, secure payment options. This might be like a duh type thing, right? Shopify does provide that, but building trust is the cornerstone of successful online retail, much like locking your store's front door, right? To ensure customer safety. When customers visit your clothing store, they want peace of mind. Offering them a digital fortress by providing multiple secure payment options and expanded buy now, pay later options. So think credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Klarna, Shop Pay installment. These secure payment gateways instill confidence and encourage customers to proceed with their purchases knowing their transactions are well guarded. Right now, something that I've been harping on quite a lot is getting rid of the extended or the additional buy options on the actual product page. So the product page should only have your add to cart button, and leave the Apple Pay, Google Pay for the cart and your checkout process, because you want to encourage people to add to cart and keep browsing. By offering the Apple Pay right there within the product page, you're telling them to go check out immediately and not look at any other products in your store. Probably not a good practice. Coming in at number 4 is customer reviews and testimonials. Imagine walking down the street and stumbling upon a boutique with an open sign. It looks bright, it looks nice, it looks new. Curiosity is piqued. You enter only to find semi-empty shelves and silence, no music, no people. Now imagine the same scenario, but this time you hear a lot of people. They're excited, there's conversation, there's laughter, there's shoppers browsing the racks, they're discussing their favorite finds, they're actually purchasing. The latter scenario instantly establishes trust and draws you in. In the online realm, customers' reviews and testimonials have that same effect. Encourage your customers to share their experiences and opinions by creating a vibrant community with your clothing store. Positive feedback and social proof act as a virtual crowd, bringing in new customers and fostering trust. Super crucial. I'm hoping that you already have a review or testimonial app that's installed on your website. If you don't, then listen up. I have a little app recommendation for you. You can add reviews and over 40 plus new features with this app. Think of this app as a Swiss Army knife of Shopify apps. Of course, we're talking about vitals. Look, even if you already have your reviews app already implemented, I would still want you to at least give this a try. Link below will give you an extended 45-day trial. Trust me, you're gonna need the 45 days in order to actually test all the features that this app has. Best practice number 3 is integration with social media. Picture a group of friends having a lively conversation about fashion, clothing, etc., sharing pictures, recommendations on their favorite social media platforms. By integrating your clothing store with these channels, you tap into that conversation, seamlessly becoming part of it. Your products become shareable, enabling customers to effortlessly promote and showcase their latest purchases to their social circle. So social media integration acts as a fashion-forward connector. It's like bridging the gap between your store, which is really standalone and really nothing, with a broader online community. So ensuring your clothing items become the talk of the town, if you will. So I always say this, where starting a online store on Shopify without any sort of social media plan is just recipe for disaster. You want to make sure, I would even recommend building up your social media presence first, build a community, and then selling that community into something that you have to offer to them. that would probably be the best case scenario and a definite Shopify best practice for 2023. Now, coming in at number 2 is email marketing integration. Imagine your clothing store as a cozy coffee shop, right? Where customers gather to relax, chat, enjoy their favorite brew. You have their attention for a brief moment. And obviously you want to make the most of it. So email marketing integration allows you to capture that essence of the coffee shop atmosphere. It enables you to engage with your customers beyond that initial visit, nurturing relationships with personalized emails that offer exclusive discounts, maybe styling tips, maybe sneak peeks of upcoming collections. It's like extending an invitation to meet again, fostering a loyal following that keeps coming back for another cup, right, of that fashion inspiration. Email marketing, a lot of people may think it's dead, a lot of people may think it's not even worth it, but it is absolutely crucial to having a good, sustainable business with Shopify. And coming in at number 1 is making regular updates and maintenance to your store. Think of your Shopify store as a fine-tuned instrument resonating with every visitor's experience. To keep the melody flowing and customers coming back for more, regular updates and maintenance are essential. It's like just like a musician practice diligently, right? To stay in tune, you must stay on top of the software updates, the security patches, and the improvements and the new features, right? By doing so, you're ensuring that your store operates seamlessly, avoiding any discordant nodes or interruptions. A well-maintained store is like a symphony hall, inviting customers to immerse themselves in a harmonious shopping experience that keeps them captivated. Now, if you are interested in making sure that your Shopify store is up to date, then you need to watch this video here where I'll teach you how to upgrade the version of your theme to ensure that you're doing the best practices for 2023.